Ms. Jackson.
Good morning.
And you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement that they're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 2 days that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. This now makes 2. What happens on the next one?
I think the jail time might be, it become a felony.
Prison time. That's what you're looking at the next time for a pack of gum. You could be looking at many years in prison. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. I do understand.
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, this will go on your record. You can never take it off. Not only that, from now on, you're looking at a minimum of 90 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. How do you plead to the offense, ma'am?
Guilty.
I'm going to find you guilty. I'll send you to the 3 days in jail, give you credit for the 2. Please see the clerk. Thanks. Sure. Are you appointed on? Is he appointed?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So Jones, what time does court start?
What was that, sir?
What time does court start?
It starts at, I believe, at 8:30, on Your Honor. I deal with the mental MH
Try
Mara.
to get here on time.
I will.
Not only that, this is now your second PR bond.
Yes, sir. I
You
see.
fail to appear one more time, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand? We don't continue to give PR bond after PR bond after PR bond after PR bond. We don't do that.
Absolutely.
Okay. You're charged with theft,
Yes, sir.
facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Absolutely.
On February 11th, 2025, at approximately 4:48 p.m., an officer met with the complainant, who is the supervisor for a roofing company. The complainant stated the defendant is a friend and had been working with the company for about a week. The complainant stated that on February 11th at 8 a.m., the defendant was supposed to be at a job but never showed. The complainant called the defendant, and the defendant stated he was at the hospital but would not give the complainant the location of where he was at currently. The defendant eventually met up with the complainant to give him the keys to the company vehicle, and the defendant's employment was terminated. The complainant pulled over and did an inventory search of the vehicle and noticed tools and equipment went missing. The complainant called the defendant and asked where the tools and equipment were, and the defendant stated he removed them so his girlfriend would not take them. The complainant called the defendant multiple times to get the tools, but the defendant blocked his calls and did not answer. The total value stolen was $2,000. The complainant stated 6 hours passed attempting to contact the defendant, and the officer tried to contact the defendant, and the defendant did not answer. The officer ran the defendant's information given by the complainant, and the complainant positively identified him by a photograph.
Mr. Jones, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case and not to be in possession of weapons. Do you understand?
I do not, because I don't know who the witness is. What is their name?
Person that you were working for at the construction company that gave you the car.
What was their name, Honor, please?
Tristan Weathers.
Tristan Weathers. Well, on my paperwork, it says Tristan Sanders. I don't know who Tristan Sanders is. So Tristan Weathers and Tristan Sanders are 2 different people.
I'll file it under bond conditions as Tristan Weathers. I'm not sure. I can look. See if there's already.
I was showing the paper. Oh, paperwork. Yes, sir. This is paperwork. Say his name
When
on
the
it.
judge requests it, nothing comes out.
It does say Tristan Sanders on the,
It says Tristan Weather here on the complaint.
okay, yes, and I believe that is his name, but on the bond conditions, it's stated as Tristan Sanders.
I don't want you to have contact with this person. Do you understand?
Tristan Sanders, Your Honor, or Tristan Weathers?
Weathers.
It said Tristan Sanders on the thing, so I'm
I'm
confused.
telling you now, I don't want you to have contact with the complaining witness in this case, whoever it may be.
No problem. He's on parole for 60 years. I don't even want to go around the guy. Yes, sir. But on the paperwork, it says Tristan Sanders, and they have that property. But my lawyer, Val Zubini, is going to talk to you or talk to you, represent me. It's just so much stuff, and I'm dealing with. I suffer PTSD PTSD, and I'm hyper. So I'm just trying to take in all the emotions. I'm not mad at you. I apologize for being late to court. I was in the Navy, and I've been to the penitentiary. So I duly apologize.
Relax.
Yes, sir.
No one's going to do anything to you here.
Yes, sir.
The only thing I want is I want my city protected.
Yes,
And
sir.
I'm going to do everything in my power to protect it. I want you to understand that. Do not pick up any new cases.
Yes, sir.
Be nice to everybody that you go around.
Absolutely.
Because if you're not, it's probably not going to go well. Exercise patience
Absolutely.
and things will go well for you.
Absolutely. It has. Thank you.
Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, or would you like to apply for a court-appointed lawyer?
As of right now, you can give me a court appointed, but I'm going to hire Val Zugini. But Val, I just due to the simple fact I'm trying to get a protective order. That's why I was late last time because my
Just don't talk. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, they're going to use it against you. So it's best not.
That's
I'll
cool.
provide you a lawyer today.
It's true.
Tell everything that you want to say to the lawyer, and then they can come and talk to me if they need.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Just
This is a big moment. The judge is basically saying you used up your free passes. A PR bond is trust-based, no money up front. Once that's gone, the court is signaling serious concern. Question for you. If the judge is already done trusting you, how do you think the rest of this case is going to go?
I say had my cell phone. I talked to one of the ladies in the back, and I talked to her.
hold on, Mr. Jones. I don't want you to say anything else. Let me give you a lawyer.
This is my second. I don't want you to know this is my second time coming. I came to court. I just came late.
It's not a big deal.
Yeah, I know.
Let me give you a lawyer. Just hang tight for me, be patient, and then we'll find you someone, okay?
No problem. Thank you, sir.
Don't leave until you sign our bond conditions.
I'm not going anywhere, sir.
Thanks.
Good for me.
Not yet. We need them to file. Oh, I already have one. I got one.
I talked to you last time. This is what I talked to right here.
We just need you to sign a reset real quick. You're good?
Yes, Judge.
Yeah, please.
Come back. Went downstairs.
Ms. Fonseca, come up.
Yes, I was gonna reset it so I can look at everything. That's all.
I don't know about waiving it though.
No, that's fine.
How old is this case? You know? It's the case that we just had on Mr. Jones.
Okay.
The new theft is from February 11th, 2025.
The new, how many cases is it?
Sorry, I thought that he had multiple. No, the theft is from February 11th.
Mr. Jones, come up. I'll waive it. I thought it was old. It's not an old.
It's up to you. I don't care what we're doing. Whatever you want to do, Jeff. Who wants to be here?
So, Mr. Jones,
Yes, sir.
I've given you a lawyer.
I thank
Okay,
you.
so I usually waive people's appearances, meaning that you don't have to waste your time coming to court, but you have to stay in touch with him. If he tells me he can't get a hold of you because you're not answering his phone calls or text messages, I'm going to issue a warrant. All I'm asking you to do, don't get in trouble and stay in contact with him. That's literally all I'm asking you to do. Don't get in any trouble.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we're good. He can't leave yet because he has to sign bond conditions. As
Okay.
soon as he signs it, then we'll let you go. Okay, they're creating bond conditions. So you promise us that you're going to behave. We'll have you sign it. And then after that, you'll be free to
I'm
go.
not a better version of you, Honor. It's just looking at the damn paper. I changed my life.
I got you, man. We'll trust you.
I've been
While you're out and about with us now,
doing a lot for the community.
just stay in contact with him. Okay?
Give me my number once we're done, okay?
Can I tell you something though? I actually was on the news last year with Kim R. Judge Nimmy. They did a story on me in Channel 2 News. I was on the news. They used my story for the company I work for change for mental health.
That's great.
And I was on the story for Kim R. and Judge Nimmy and Carnival. So I've made a bunch of changes. This is a mistake, and I just I just get so emotional and something. But I apologize.
Don't, because remember, they can use anything that you say.
I got you.
Just,
I got you. No problem.
Let me look at everything.
No problem.
We'll figure everything out, okay?
Thank you.
okay.
Judge.
All right, so take a seat, but don't leave until we let you go.
All right, have a seat.
Thank you, Mr. Jones.
Okay, and then I got one more judge. This is, gonna be Vanessa Gonzalez. They're still trying to get a RIP call done, so, there's not a RIP done yet. So I'm just gonna reset that. It's 189 days old, that's why.
I mean, how long, we're now 3 months waiting for a writ?
Right, and we've attempted to contact him multiple times.
People don't want to be found, we want to be found. I'll give you a week.
Here's where the tone shifts fast. This isn't casual anymore. This is the constitutional checkpoint. Probable cause means the judge believes there's enough evidence to move forward, not that guilt is proven yet. But make no mistake, once you hear these rights read out loud, the system is officially in motion.
You're charged with assault of a family member. You have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 90 days in jail with credit for the 35 that you have already done. You need to understand that there are a lot of serious things that are happening right now. You're pleading guilty to this offense. This offense will go on your record. There's also an affirmative finding of family violence. What that means is that if you ever pick up on another case like this, you will be facing a third-degree felony, a minimum of 2 years in prison, a maximum of 10 years in prison. And it doesn't have to be a drag-down fight. You just squeeze the arms enough to where it hurts. You're looking at up to 10 years in prison. You understand? You could never own a gun or ammunition as a result of this plea as well. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses, testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, this will go on your record. You can never take it off. Is this what you want to do? Are you on probation or parole at this time?
I just started probation on the 17th of March. I
Just
just,
pled out to a felony
There.
UCW and got deferred, but she's going to a program.
yeah,
But make use of that program. If you have some kind of addiction issues or whatnot,
sir,
I'm telling you, there's only so many times they're going to let you go before they send you to prison.
sir,
You understand?
I understand.
All right. Good luck, man. Thank you, Ms. Gooch.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, it's still John.
Hi, Yasha.
How are you, Judge?
What's up, man?
Not much. Crazy day, but I have a plea ready for Mr. Lamont Edwards.
I'm ready when you are.
Ready? Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Edwards?
Good morning, Mr. Edwards. Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 6 days in jail, credit for the 2 that you've done. You need to understand that this charge is going to go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. You get pulled over, an officer's going to look at your record. You smell like alcohol or dope. What do you think they're going to do? Right. What we're doing today, from now on, you're facing a minimum of 90 days in jail for anything that you pick up. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
No more proverbial slaps on the wrist. So if I were you, even if you have one toke, a sip of alcohol, don't get into a car. It's a huge risk. You understand?
Sir.
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses, testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, you can never take this off or undo this. This is what you want to do.
Sir.
How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? I'm going to find you guilty. Follow the agreement. What do you do for a living, sir?
I'm actually disabled. Disabled. I
What's the nature of your disability?
I was with,
Okay.
side
What's the
job.
disability?
So,
What's your disability?
my health issues,
What kind of income do you have coming in?
that, SSI.
You need to understand that DWI is big business. There's a $3,000 surcharge that would normally apply to this. I a lot of times waive it on first offenses because you know what? We all make mistakes. But I'm going to tell you now, if you continue to make mistakes where you endanger my city, a second DWI, it's a $6,000 surcharge. And you don't pay it, you do 1 day in jail for every $100 you owe. So on a $6,000 to $7,000, imagine how much jail time you'll do. Don't pick up another DWI because it's really not going to go well for you. You understand?
So,
All right. Good luck. Oh, I'm going to suspend your license for 90 days.
Judge, you had an ALR suspension for 3 months. It just got reinstated on the 16th. Is there any way we could get
Let me see.
This is the judge drawing a hard line in the sand. Random testing plus bond conditions equals zero tolerance. One slip, one failed test, and it's straight to jail. Let me ask you this. If freedom depends on clean living, why do so many defendants still gamble with it?
Up another one. I'm telling you, 90-day minimum and a $6,500 surcharge. You understand? Okay, man. Good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks.
Wait, DPS, the rent system?
Yeah, let's go. Good
Hi,
morning.
Mr. Jose Borrego here.
Okay. I'm gonna send him for a test now.
He got his test this morning.
So for something for THC.
Come up, come up.
If I may make an argument, Judge.
Sorry, who was the client?
Jose Borrego.
Yes.
He tested positive for THC. He signed bond conditions January 27th. THC can remain in the body for 30 or more days, depending on depending on how much you smoke, depending on body fat. It's currently been close to 40 days, I think about 40 days since signing the bond conditions. If you can,
I'll give you 10 days.
10 days, we'll take it.
But must be back here in 10 days to test. If you test positive, you understand me? Okay?
Thank you,
Send it.
Judge.
10 days.
Okay.
Take a seat for me. So, Ms. Strong must be here in 10 days.
Absolutely.
He tries to make an excuse that this, that.
He'll be there.
All right. Catherine Herrera? Ma'am, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 1 day that you've done. You need to understand something very important, that this charge will now go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. It's even there after you die. If you get pulled over in a car, an officer's going to look this, they're going to see this. If they come up to you and they smell alcohol or dope, it's probably not going to go well for you. And what we're doing today, from now on, you're facing a minimum of 30 days in jail. No more proverbial slaps on the wrist. Do you understand? You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers, the right to be arraigned, charged, read in open court. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty to this offense, ma'am, it will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life, like I said. Is this a true first?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. No PTI.
No, Judge.
Okay. How do you plead to the office, ma'am? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I have to suspend your license. I will suspend it for 90 days. Ma'am, there's also one more thing you need to understand, that DWI is big business in this state. There's a $3,000 surcharge that would normally apply here. I'm not going to tack on to you now, but if you come up here with another DWI, a second DWI, it's a $6,000 surcharge. And if you don't pay it every day, or I'm sorry, every $100 you owe, you will sit 1 day in jail of that $6,000. Do you understand? Don't come back. Otherwise, it's a minimum 30 days in jail and then a boatload of costs. Good luck to you, man.
Thank you.
Thanks. Shit.
I'm here on 2 cases, and I hate asking you, as I told Chief, for more time on both of them, but both of them have comp evals pending. The first one is USADA. Victoria did send an email to Helena and copied me on it to get the schedule, and I unfortunately dropped the ball on it, but I did get
It's
it.
307 days. I don't understand why. Where is USADA now?
She's here, Judge, but it was my fault because I didn't get it scheduled, but I took care of it during docket, and I have a date for her now.
What's the date?
March 31st, I think. Let me look.
Okay, great.
Yes, March 31st. And it's at 8:30 a.m., so hopefully we can get that done and get the report back. So that one was my fault.
Is there
So
an offer on this case? Is all evidence?
All evidence has been shared.
Okay, so then you said the day's March 31st. So
yes, Judge.
April 1st, you got to be here. It's player trial on that day.
Okay. Hopefully they can have the report back by then. Do you know if they get it
Oh,
done that quick, Judge?
I don't know. I mean, oh, I forgot. I don't know. How long does it take to get the reports from Helena?
Yes, about a week.
Say it again?
I would guess about a week. Pushing
Okay.
it is two.
So let's set it a week after to try to get the report.
Sure. April 9th,
Sure.
sounds good. April
But
9th.
clear
April
trial in
9th.
the next setting though. Must.
Okay. And my second one is also very old, but these were from like 2020, 21, I think.
Is it?
Housel Demoria. There's also a complaint pending on him. He also has a felony pending, and I have medical records. He's being treated at the Harris Center right now.
And-
So that one, I don't know. I know it's probably,
Yeah, but I mean, all ours are from 2022, 2021. I'm not waiting for the case upstairs to resolve for ours. So
I'm not either. These are different transactions. I'm not really worried about if they're doing the felony, because they're different transactions. It's just eval.
it's been done.
the comp eval has not been done yet, but he's been at the Harris Center. So I'm going to email Helena and get that date also.
Can you
To make
get
sure.
now?
Yes, absolutely, Judge.
Okay. I'm not doing any more long recess. This case is 965 days old and it's,
It is. I don't know why it's so old, Judge. Maybe it was a 2B for a while. I'm not sure. Or maybe it was a bond forfeiture. I couldn't tell you.
I mean, we have a comp exam from January. Let me see. Hold on.
You have a copy eval from January?
Let me see.
That might be the motion by defense
Yeah.
counsel, but I think because it's already under we can't rescind it, is my understanding.
Okay, so I'm not doing any more long resets on this. So we'll set it for Monday just for you to get the date.
Okay.
Okay. And then hopefully we'll
Pretty-
get the date relatively quick and go from there.
She only took her like 20 minutes to send me this date on USADA, so I'm pretty sure we can get it pretty quick too.
Like, you want to roll it to tomorrow or what do you want to do?
If we can waive his appearance, I can be here
I'm not
tomorrow.
waiting. It's 965. I'm not waiting any more appearances. It's just too old. You
Okay.
know, I mean, I guess, take some time. Let's see what she does. And, you know, I'll give you the same type of reset that we did on
Okay.
this past one. If you want to wait a while to see if you can. Otherwise, we can roll it for a couple days for you to get date, but I'm not, it's
A
it's just
couple of
too
days
old.
might be better because I know his mom has to bring him because he doesn't drive with the medication he's on for his schizophrenia.
I understand,
Okay.
but I mean, at night, at nearly 1,000 days old, I'm no more long resets. I
Okay.
mean, until the day after the next, or a week after, just to get the report.
That works. And the mom is getting medical records from me too as well. So he should have that by this afternoon.
Hopefully. Okay,
Thank you, Jared.
thanks. Yes, ma'am. Since 2023, you have picked up a disorderly conduct of discharging a firearm, felony assault, burglary by habitation, and now a failure to ID. No, I'm not going to accept. You need to understand that I, as the judge here, do not have to accept a plea bargain agreement in this case, and I'm not going to. I will not accept the time served, and I'm ready to set this thing for trial. You're looking at, you know, a year on the disorderly conduct, and I think it's unacceptable with all this and his lengthy criminal history. It's unacceptable to do. So I'm ready.
I believe the disorderly conduct is class B.
Yeah, it is charged as a B. Regardless, I mean, I'm not ready to accept the time served on these cases, not with this criminal history and not while he has picked up all these cases, 3 felonies while on
What would
bond.
you accept?
I don't know. But something significant. It's just too much, Mr. Portillo, and you're not getting it. And it's time. So
He does have 22 days credit.
that's,
I'm just trying to find out
I understand,
what you
but I'm ready to, I mean, I'm ready to set this thing. Yeah. All right. So
What? So would you accept anything?
I don't know. I don't know.
I mean, I would say I don't believe the state's spoken to their witness on the class B disorderly conduct case. So
This is
I understand.
100 and something days.
I understand, Your Honor.
That.
And I know you just got in here, Blaze, so
And with that, felony. Same complainants,
Same complainant as the felony assaults?
sure.
Yeah, nothing under 180 and unacceptable. No. So we do that or I'm sending it for trial.
So 180 days. Okay.
Or yeah, 180. I mean, we have a disorderly conduct now, 2 felony assaults, a burglary and he's a fugitive from justice on the failure date. No,
Would
it's
you
unacceptable.
A probation or would? I'm
I'm
not saying. I'm just trying to ask. So no.
I don't think state can really offer probation.
And
Okay, all right.
not with this kind of baggage. No.
Okay. Okay.
So you guys decide what you want to do and let me know. And then we
So it'd be 180 days minimum.
I'm not, it's just way too much baggage. No, it's time to,
Well, I just want to know just if we should even try to negotiate because I don't want to do that and then.
I mean, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that if that's what you guys
So-
want to do. Otherwise,
Anything 180 days, if you please to want to dismiss one.
I'm okay if you want to do that. Sure.
I'm not saying we're going to take that. I just want to know.
I get it.
Okay.
I get it.
If I could have 5 minutes with my client and then we'll.
Come, Mr. Elick, come on.
I don't, I'm just.
Take your time.
Thank you. Okay.